This is the system that you will be able to get from us to trade any financial market. This system consists of two algorithms. The first one is the algorithm that gives you opportunities to buy and sell the market. That is the entry algorithm of our system. We name it as Qsigma Impulsive Edge 2.0. The second algorithm is which allows you to exit the market. You can see the line indicator that turns red and blue. This is the backtest results of 827 closed trades of this system, and we ended up with 74.73% with a maximum drawdown of 0.15%. This is the performance summary of our algorithm. You can see in here our largest losing trade is only about 0.12%, and you can also see our largest win trade is about 1.53%. So we gain about a good risk reward from this system.